So India Bulls, so around 8,000 rupees you have made on the first day. Sorry, that is your investment. You have made 50,000 rupees. 50,000 divided by, I'm taking an average. So that's around 625% on 3 days. On 3 days. So you invest 8,000 in the morning, you make 50,000 by the close of the day. Again, the next day you enter again at a different price, and again you make the profit. I'll show you the 17th entry price. I think I have already posted in the video. Maybe you can just check it. You can check the video on that YouTube channel. So this is how we trade, and you compare. I see many people talking about various brokerage firms. They say that they are giving you a low brokerage or less brokerage and all this stuff. But finally, they don't give you any profits. They give you very low brokerage. That is the only thing what they do. And I will take you. We can just have a glance at some of the other charts. I won't be giving you the charts. I'll just be giving you the entry prices for all the scripts early in the morning. So you'll have to enter all the scripts, entry prices, sit in front of the system, and just do your trades. That is what is required. What you need is the entry price, and you should have a very good margin level. And the other thing is you should have patience. You should have patience. You will definitely make money. You will definitely make money. So these are the tentative prices that what I have for tomorrow morning open, and as per the market open, this will change. In case if there is a slight gap down open, all the sell calls will get activated, and the buy calls will remain will not get activated, and it is vice versa also. If it opens gap up, all the buy calls will get triggered, the sell calls will not get triggered. And after some period of time, if the market moves much more up, all the sell calls will turn into buy calls. Then we can actually enter into those trades also. Then we'll change the entry prices for those scripts. So now I will just so these are some of the trades that we have. So that is Nifty. On a short-term trend, it is sell, and on a long-term trend also it is a sell. You can see it's taking support here, and I have already told you about my strategy here. That is on 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hourly, and on a daily basis. If it is a strong sell on all the time durations, I blindly enter into that trade. Tata Motors is a sell, and let me show you Tata Motors. It's a sell. On a 10 minutes, it's a sell. On 30 minutes, it's a sell. On a daily chart, it's still a sell. So I will go short on Tata Motors again. So that is how you can confidently keep trading. I have Wipro. It's a buy. It's a buy on an 5 minute. It's neutral on 15 minute. That is, it will take support on an 1 hour chart. It's a strong buy. It will move up, and it's a buy, and it's a strong buy on a daily basis. So this is Wipro is bound to go up. Wipro is bound to go up. And I have Vedanta, which is strong buy on all four sides, and a strong sell on the daily. So finally, at the end of the day, it will close low. That you can see here. So this is a 10-minute chart. I have a 30-minute chart. Buy. So if it moves beyond 215, more than 215, it can end up 219. And if it breaks that, and for daily candles, that is for people with good investment, you can see that it is on short. It's on short on a daily basis. So that is the reason why here in Vedanta futures, on a daily basis, you will be seeing an sell call. You will be seeing an sell call at the end of the day. So it might go up and then it might come down. So that is how we trade. We use a lot of technical indicators and technical tools to generate this kind of calls and try to be in profits on all the time. So this is HCL Tech is a sell, Grasam is a sell, Gale is a sell, Asher Motors is a sell, Dr. Reddy is a buy. I'll tell you why Dr. Reddy is a buy. So here you can see on sell, neutral. Sell in the sense it might come down slightly in the morning and it will be sort of flat, but the end of the day, it's going to be a buy call. So that's Dr. Reddy. So that is the chart. So it's not going to break this support. It's not going to break this support for some time. So once it makes some strong buy on 5-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, hourly, then you can blindly buy, keep buying it. So these are some of the trades what we have. BPCL sell, Cipla we have a buy. So we can see it here, Cipla strong buy on 5-minute, 15 minutes it's a strong buy and it will definitely come down. A strong sell. It can change tomorrow. It can change tomorrow based upon how the market opens. And HUL we have a strong buy. So you can see that this sell call will not get triggered. You still have an upside on Hindustan Lever. Have still an upside on Hindustan Lever. So that is what is my trend is indicating. So I think I hope you have understood how this whole thing is working. So M&M is another very good trade what we had. 767, let's say 765. It went down till 735. So roughly around 30 rupees. Let's say 30 rupees also. It's 30,000 rupees trade for 2 days. And we had a buy call for 2 days again. Right from 750, it went up to 780. That is another 30,000 rupees. So 30,000 here and 30,000 there in a matter of 1, 2, 3 days. 60,000 rupees on 3 days trades. So making 10,000 rupees for a day is not a very difficult task. I would say it's more an enjoyable work when you're seeing so many trades, but you're trading in only select few, and you're making your very good profits. Let's say you make 10,000 rupees every day, and there are roughly around 20 working days in a month. So that comes to around 2 lakh rupees a month. So what you do, you sit in front of the system at 9 o'clock or 8:30 in the morning. You should be a bit early, 8:30 in the morning, and you close all your trades by 3 o'clock. You come out with 10,000 rupees. That's around roughly 2 lakh rupees every month. You'll be the most comfortable person. So Sun Pharma, I have a buy. Let me just check the trend here. So it's a strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, and neutral. So it will close flat, but it's going to open very strongly. That is a buy call, and it might end flat. So our entry price is 611 or something like that. I'll just yeah, 611.50 is our entry for Sun Pharma. So as soon as you reach it reaches 611.50, this will turn into green. You enter into the trade. Ask for the stop loss and the target. I'll give you, and then you just book your profits. That's how it works. So hope you enjoyed this particular session. So this is about, and apart from this, you'll be getting a lot of other information like uh, what is the dollar index running at, what is the crude price, what is the XGF, Singapore Nifty. You'll be getting the Asian market inputs, and you'll be getting the rupee open, and you'll be getting the trends, the short-term trends and the long-term trends, and the various other things like stocks and news. All these things are something which you'll be getting in your mailbox every day, early in the morning, when you open your system. So in case if you need this particular you can have a trial. You can have a trial for few days. You can have a trial for few days, or you can watch my trades, do some paper trades, and you can mail me on mon2944@yahoo.com, or you can call me on my mobile. It's 973941133 or 8553069 This is my mobile number. Please leave your mail IDs so that I can send so you should leave your mail ID, because I'll directly send it to your mail ID. You can see the pre-market data, and you'll have an idea of how the market is going to open, and based on that you can start trading. So it's very simple. Try it out. I definitely think you will never regret entering this kind of an system. Nobody will give you uh, this kind of an spoon feeding, where you just get the entry price, you get the targets and the stop loss, and you can see it real time, and you can see everything real time. And I've seen a lot of people who give recommendations. They really they come out TVs, and they talk so many things, but once I just see their trades and compare my trades with them, they are nowhere near me. You will definitely make profits. Only thing is that you should have patience, you should sit and trade. It's not like just put a trade, just go out, have a tea and tea or a cigarette and come back, and then it would have already made the profits, and then it would have retraced back, and it will be in loss, and then you can't blame me and saying that that particular trade is under loss. It gave you profit, you book the profit, and you sit there, and no, you don't have any other business other than doing trading. So this is what I advise. So just mail me on my mail ID or call me or WhatsApp your email ID. I'll send you the pre-market data before the market opens. Check all that and get ready for trading at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then start placing your trades at 9:50. Make you have a target, let's say 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000 or whatever it is for a day, depending on your investment. You just make that profit, get out, shut the system, shut down the system, and then go out and do something else. So for me, 10 or 20,000 rupees is nothing. So I have something called as the long-term trend. That is the daily the daily trades, which I will be doing. I mean, I will give you an. I will make a video again. I will make a video again for this particular. This is basically for HNIs, people who can carry over trades, because your carryover margin is higher than your intraday margins. But definitely you'll make profits. You'll definitely make profits. I mean, I have never seen, I think, one or two calls or under loss in the sense it has come back to come back to its position where it has near its entry price. But when you see the long-term trends, that is, I'm talking about this trend. So this is on daily basis that you can trade. So your investment might be slightly higher because you are carrying over the trades, but definitely there is at least 100% profit on a basis of few days like this. It took around 17 days to make this profit. Adani Ports 62. Adani Ports 62 in the sense. Where is this calculator? So, so this is your entry price. We are not entering here. We are entering at the low price here. That is somewhere around here. So you can see that this dotted line, that is your entry there, and we have exited here. So it has taken 17 days. That is excluding your holidays. That is excluding your holidays. So what is our rate of return on our investment for Adani Ports? 17 days. I will just show you what will be my investment. So Adani Ports, the investment is roughly around 98,000 rupees for one lot. That is on a carryover normal margin. So let's say 1 lakh rupees is what is required on one lot for carrying over your Adani Ports. And in 17 days, what is that I have earned? This is the value. That is the value. 62 is the profit. That is 62 rupees into 2,500. So I have made a profit of 1,55,000 rupees, and what I have invested, roughly around 1 lakh rupees. So my I have more than doubled it. That is 150% is my returns on a time duration of 17 days. In 17 days, I have more than doubled in the sense I made 150% profit in my single trade. So I have some trades like that which I would like to show. So this is Asian Paint, 100 points, again 18 days. This 29 days is including all your holidays and all this stuff. But you enter here, you exit here, you have made 100 rupees here. And the Asian Paint, the lot size is 600. 600 into 100. So that's your profit. And what is your investment? Roughly around ₹1,00,000. So if you can, if you have, this is very good for HNI clients, people who have enough capital, they can blindly enter into this particular trades. And what you are seeing this, I think from the last 1 month, I'll just show you. This is in October, September, October, September to October, that is till 19th. You had days when the market went up by 200 points. There was a gap down of 150 points. Multiple, I mean, there was huge uncertainty, but at the end of the day, you're making profit here. At the end of the day, you're making profit here. That is what matters. So you can, I'll make a video on this. I'll show you some more trades on the carryover method. You'll enjoy it. But if you have capital, I would suggest you can enter into this. So thanks for coming. And then, so I have already left my mail ID and mobile number. So in case if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. You can take a trial also. That is, you can join our meeting. I will send you the GoToMeeting ID. So this is my GoToMeeting ID for tomorrow. So this is my ID from 9 to 1. And again, I'll take a 10-minute break. And from 1:10 to 3:30, this is the ID what you can get. So you just send me your mail ID so that I can send you this GoToMeeting ID. You'll have to just download this GoToMeeting, which is free of cost. You'll have to join my session at 9 o'clock. You can see all the trades live, whether profits or loss in the sense the stop loss, and the entry prices, the trend, everything is something which you can see live. And you don't have to, in case if you are out, I mean if you are not at an on your desk, you can always use your smartphone, and then you can connect through your smartphone also. So there is one more advantage what you have. You can interact with me on the chat box. You can keep chatting with me during the market hours. If you have any idea, I mean, if you have any doubts, I will just clarify it for you. So thank you for just watching this. I think it's almost 1.5 hours since I have been on this meeting. I'll just edit this into 3 parts. I will post all the 3 parts. Have a look at it. In case if you have any doubts, write it down. Come back tomorrow during the market hours. During the market hours when we start the GoToMeeting, you can ask me. You can ask me your questions. I'll get it clarified for you. Thank you. Good night.